Thank you for coming today. As you can see, giving back to the community here, just cleaning up the slums around Dillsburg. We got work to do. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get into this T140 here and I'm gonna use this baby. It's called the Industrial Claw. And get rid of some of these things. It's not gonna take too much. We should be done in about an hour. Good thing too, I got calls to make back at the office.